Hello everyone! Are you ready for some seriously awesome entertainment? Today, we're back on a journey around the world with incredible moments captured on real camera footage. Don't miss a single unforgettable second.
Everything collapsed in just a few seconds.
मैंने शुरू से बोला था आपको पूरी तबाही हो गई यार ये क्या हो रहा जनाब जहांगीर सरा तबाही उशवा
Water sprays high due to a burst water pipe.
No, something else. Oh my God!
Luckily, the gas station didn't explode.
Watch it! Shit! Shit!
Poor quality construction.
Krass. ما كاون ديو
The collapsed structure caused severe damage. A ship collision is a serious incident.
No saben hacer, deben irse a su casa. Mira este cabrón lo que está haciendo. Mira. ¿Qué alcahuete?
The bridge was knocked down and collapsed. When the construction industry scares you. Air India plane gets stuck under footbridge on highway near Delhi airport.
Oh,
Hey! Hey! We fucking hell. Oi! Oi! Break! Oi!
That is not good. Oh, no. Anybody standing over there? No. Wrong way. Oh.
Chimney falling wrong way. Fortunately, both the person and the vehicle were unharmed. The car lost control of its speed. When the horse got angry,
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, doo-dah day. Oh, chips.
the car was flooded, but he remained optimistic. Recheck the quality of the construction.